51 minutes into the film for the audio sound effects editing, where I add the audio sound effects. So here I am at this scene here, and so now I just have to add a sound effect of a car passing to the right and then heading to the left. So let me check my sound effects here. I have the car sounds. That one is 6 seconds. So what I'll do is put it in this right pan section right here. So the sound will come from the right. Now I'll copy that, and then as it gets to the middle, I'll center the sound, and then I'll move it to the left as it goes to the left. And now I have to also be aware of the guy getting inside his car, closing the door. Alright, so the sound moves to the center, and now actually, let's see, probably right about there it should be centered. But I don't want it to switch off right away. So I could do a fade, but let's see. I think I'll just cut it off right there since it's centered. And then the sound right here by this point should be to the left. So I think I'll just, you do the special key button, the icon button, and then you press T, and that'll cut the track in half, the split. Alright, and then let's see, so this one here will switch to the right, so I'll just do that. Alright, I don't know why that popped up there, but so you can hear how the sound just disappeared. Alright, now his car has already started up right about, I'll say he's in his car, starts up right before this, so I'll go right there. And then always save your work often. And next thing I have to do is, alright, he was filling up fuel, so the fuel stops right there. I'll cut it right there, and then I have to get like a clink sound of the machine going back on the fuel pump going back on the rack. So maybe something like that'll be okay. Then I have to have a sound of him getting into his car with the door. So that would be maybe the sound of the door opening. That'll be good. And let's say right about there maybe. Well, he's not even by the car yet, so let's get him there first. So he heads there, and that's it right there. The door should open right about there. Then I have to have the door close. So I'd say right about there would be. Alright, so the car engine, I have to get that in there now. Let's see. That's under vehicles. I guess I could switch up the sound a little. That's a little more aggressive of a car engine, just to vary it out. Alright, I'll put that one in there. And to tell how the track pan is, if it's up at the top of this section here, that means it's in the left. But if I rotate it down to the bottom, that means it's in the right. And normally by default it's right here, but this is to the right pan, and then this would be to the left. But we want it down here, so I'll just delete that. Alright, but if I play it back real quick, I'll just do a save, and I'm at 51 minutes in. Alright, so he didn't close the door, he just opened it. This sound is not loud enough here. Let's try that. Alright, so he wasn't even in the car yet. Alright, I guess that's okay. It's too loud though. Right about there. And because the sound ends there, I do want that to repeat, so I'll just do a copy paste, and then the scene cuts out to there. But that's it for now. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon, and thanks for watching.